Hello, this is Lucas here. I'm just showing you how to do screen replacement on an iPhone 8 Plus. Just when you're doing this, make sure before you pry on the screen to take the screws out, or you might learn the way I learned. Yeah, so when you're doing this, you're kind of like sliding back the top of the screen towards the home button, and then just so slightly, and then you open up like a book. Yeah, so make sure you unplug your power button first, and then you're going after all the screen cables, take those out. That's a new screen, premium aftermarket part, has a water resistant seal with it. We're going to put all that in there and transfer all of the parts from the old screen to the new screen that we can still use. So first you start with removing the bracket on the sensors and the front camera, and then we'll make our way to the home button bracket, and we'll want to transfer those cables and the home button over to the new screen. Yeah, and there's no need to over tighten this stuff, just until you got resistance when you put in the screws. And this is just gonna put the cables in. This is a little tricky, a lot of little cables. You know, I gotta put it in properly. You want to have that little square piece in between the cables, and the camera cable's got to be over it. Then you put the bracket on. It's kind of hard to show you. I can't do it. I need 3 hands to show you. But yeah, you just do it like that. Yeah, this is a good time to put your waterproof seal on the phone, and then you go. Yeah, so now that we've transferred all the perfectly good parts into the brand new screen, you got a new phone. We're gonna put it all back together. I'm just gonna snap it in just like that. It's my favorite part. Finishing up. And then always remembering to put these screws back in. Should never forget to put these screws back in.
Piña colada, alcohol se ve.